hey. Hi. Robinson came to us with a box of, I don't even know what this is, chicken and a bag of rice. So we're gonna cook something. Amen. That pan is really hot. Honestly, we don't need that.
We're getting smoky in here.
Yeah, we're getting a little smoky in here. A little bit of water. Just a little bit of water. Okay.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes.
Okay.
Some
Do you know
water.
how to cook?
No, I don't. This is just stuff coming to my brain.
This is water. Okay.
Yeah. We're just gonna.
I know you are a good chef.
Thank you. This won't. This is just steam, so it
Oh
shouldn't.
my god. Robinson knows how to cook. I don't know how to cook.
Robinson cooks.
Yeah. I like this character.
He
He's
likes
so
that
cute.
character.
He's so good. He's so cute than me. Oh sorry, she's so cute than me. Wow, cutie girl.
We want more celery or is that okay?
That's alright.
Is it more
The celery
water?
doesn't add much to it. Usually you do this with like peas and carrots, or like any other vegetable. But this is okay.
Late night food making mode.
Yeah, late night.
Yeah,
Nice.
literally.
Yeah. Need some Indian food, but
Hi Robinson. Which
Hi,
one do you
bro.
like better? That one? Or that one?
definitely I would say that character.
This one?
That's so cute. Yeah, I like it. I love it.
This is
Already know. Explain what we got here.
too much rice and not enough anything else.
Fantastic cooking.
Thank you.
No egg.
Hot. Not yet. Egg cooks fast. Egg cooks fast. This is not the most conventional.